Have you ever realized that your closest friendships can show you more about yourself than any self-help book ever could? In this short video, I'll be sharing 5 ways friendship can transform your life and help you grow. My name's Monique Warotny, and welcome to Rise and Thrive, where we explore ideas, stories, and experiences that help you grow, heal, and show up as your best self. The first way friendship can transform your life and help you grow is that true friendship reflects who you are. Friendship is like a mirror. It shows you not just who you are, but who you could be. Think about the people you feel most comfortable around. Their honesty, humor, or support can reveal patterns in your own behavior, sometimes before you even notice them. Who in your life challenges you in a way that actually helps you grow? We often surround ourselves with people who keep us comfortable, but those friendships rarely push us towards self-awareness or healing. When you allow yourself to lean into friendships that reflect the truth of who you are, the good, the bad, the messy, and the in-between, you give yourself permission to grow without judgment. Real friendship helps you see yourself clearly, and clarity is the first step towards change. The second way friendship transforms your life is that it's laughter as a pathway to healing. One of the most underestimated tools for growth is humor. When we laugh through awkwardness, discomfort, or even our own mistakes, we create space to protect emotions safely. Do you use humor to cope or to hide? In life, laughter can soften hard truths. It allows us to confront things we'd normally avoid without feeling overwhelmed or judged. Find the friends, moments, and practices that make growth enjoyable, because healing doesn't always have to be serious or heavy. The third way friendship helps you grow is that it allows you to unlock your vulnerability that unlocks empowerment. True connection requires vulnerability. It's scary to admit that you're struggling, uncertain, or even confused about your own life. But friendships that encourage honesty, where you can be seen without performing, become training grounds for empowerment. Have you ever held back from sharing your truth because you feared judgment? The struggle is real. We live in a world where vulnerability feels risky, but showing up authentically in safe spaces teaches you confidence, courage, and self-trust. Empowerment isn't just about achieving more. It's about feeling safe to be fully you. The fourth way friendship transforms your life is when your growth happens in the in-between moments. We often think of growth as having to be dramatic, a life-changing trip, a big career move, a major revelation. But real growth is usually quieter, slower, and often happens in the everyday interactions. Think about how your closest friends help you navigate small conflicts, tiny wins, or even sit with you in silence. Have you noticed how much you change in subtle ways when you constantly engage with people who support your growth? Healing and self-awareness often live in these in-between moments, not just the headline events of life. Small, consistent experiences with supportive people shape the strongest growth. The fifth way friendship transforms your life took me a long time to recognize in myself. It reminds you that healing is a shared journey. One of the most profound lessons friendships can teach is that healing doesn't have to be a solo journey. We tend to think self-awareness is a private pursuit, but surrounding yourself with empathetic, authentic, and courageous friends accelerates your growth and keeps you accountable in a kind way. Who in your life helps you process, reflect, and rise? Not just cheer you on, but also challenges you when you need it. The struggle of life becomes lighter when you allow connection to carry you instead of carrying it all on your own. Healing is more effective and joyful when it's shared. Connection multiplies resilience. If this video resonates with you and you want to explore friendship, self-awareness, and growth even more, click like, comment, and subscribe to keep receiving insights that help you heal, grow, and show up as your best self. And don't forget to share this video with your friends as a thank you to them in helping you grow in this beautiful journey of life. And remember, you're not just on this journey alone. The Rise and Thrive community is here so we can all grow together.